What is up, you guys? Welcome back. You probably have noticed that the RMR stickers have gone down in price massively over the past week. The Tyler Gold went below 40 euros and the Navi Gold is hovering just above 40. In this video we will talk about why this is currently happening. Smash that like button if you are excited to hear what's going on. And as a thank you, here is a little picture of the Steam Market God. It has now been more than 1 month since the RMR capsules went on discount. If I'm not wrong, that happened on April 7th. I think it was not at all unexpected for them to keep the discount this long. Normally Valve sells the capsules at full price for about 2-3 weeks, afterwards discounting the price for a similar period of time. The RMRs, however, stood at full price for exactly 10 weeks. So I believe it is possible they could keep selling them at discount for that long or even longer. The reason why the stickers fell in price in the last week is because people placed a lot of hope on the RMRs going out of the shop at the same time when the Operation Broken Fang ended. That did not happen, so a big chunk of people lost interest and declared RMRs a dead investment, for the reason that no matter how good they are, there is just too many of them at this point. The demand for RMR stickers and capsule unboxings has fallen a lot too. About 3 weeks ago, when the RMR discount was the hottest topic, I estimated that there were somewhere between 900,000 and 1.2 million capsules unboxed daily. Today though, this number sits somewhere between 400,000 and 600,000, as the number of sticker sales has fallen a lot and the percentage of stickers that are being resold from investments is far greater today. The next big event a lot of people are waiting for is May 15th, because that's when you will no longer be able to cash out your Operation Stars. And because Valve releases updates in chunks, people hope to see the RMRs leave the store on that day, though I don't believe that's very likely. Also, I've heard people say that if it doesn't leave the store on the 15th, then it will probably stay till the next major. In my opinion, it could leave any day before the majors, just like it could be on those 2 dates. A lot of people are searching for someone to tell them to either sell or keep their RMR stickers. Look, if you're just looking for a no or yes, then I gotta tell you, that is really unhealthy for you. You got to look and ask for arguments. There's always arguments for and against certain investments, and only when you have the entire picture you can weigh the arguments and make a decision of your own. I'm saying this because I've seen people give their opinion on this topic without including any valid arguments. So here are the arguments that I think are important to know. The 2020 RMRs are the first capsules to include golden team stickers, and they actually look good unlike the 2019 golden player signatures. In total, there are currently a little under 1 million capsules on the market, 3.6 million paper stickers, 360,000 holos, 53,000 foils, and 12,000 golds. We've never had quantities for tournament stickers nearly as big as this. I believe it is safe to say that they are oversaturated and overinvested. Of course, the reason for that is its lengthy existence in the CSGO shop. The RMR stickers look exceptionally good on skins, allowing to make incredible crafts, and they are so cheap that people aren't even thinking twice before applying them to their skins and even to default weapons. Next argument is that prices have been on a downtrend at the beginning of this week only, but over the last couple of days it has been flat. I believe the RMRs are almost at their bottom price, as currently there are far less capsules being unboxed, which is shown by the difference in stickers sold per day. Ultimately, I believe there are just as many arguments for the RMR investment as arguments against it. Of course, I could have missed something, so let me know about it if I did. I didn't invest all that much into RMRs, only 10% of my portfolio, for the reason that I always considered it a volatile investment, especially before the discount. Then I did not invest a single penny. Another way I could help you make a decision when you're considering to sell any investment is for you to assess other investments and determine whether those have a high chance of performing well. Also, you have to think like this. If you weren't invested into that item at the moment, would you consider investing into it right now? If so, then you should keep it. If there is no chance you would invest right now, then that is a good reason to sell. At least that's how I make my decisions. I hope this video has helped you understand the current RMR situation. If so, then make sure to leave a like, comment down below your opinion so that people can see what others are thinking, and also because it helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.